TPO roof life expectancy in Tampa. Due to its low cost and energy-efficient features, TPO, or Thermoplastic Polyolefin, has become one of Tampa's top choices in residential and commercial roofing systems. But like any other building material, TPO's life expectancy will depend on various factors. TPO roof life expectancy. TPO roofing systems can last approximately 15 to 20 years. To get the longest lifespan for your TPO roof, regular inspections and maintenance are necessary to keep it in good condition. What are the factors that affect TPO roof life expectancy? Roof pitch. TPO is often used on flat and low-sloped roofs, which don't quickly drain rainwater, leading to more rapid degradation. A well-designed and maintained drainage system can ensure your TPO roof lasts. Exposure to the sun. TPO is known to save you much money on energy costs by making your home or building cooler, especially in summer. Still, extreme heat can cause severe problems and shorten the lifespan of TPO roofs if they're not properly maintained. Extreme weather. Extreme temperature changes might cause TPO roofs to expand and contract. This can put additional strain on the flashing, meant to prevent leaks and wind damage, leading it to wear out prematurely. Poor installation. Any roofing system that's improperly installed is bound to have problems. Moreover, poor roof installation can lead to more frequent repairs or a total replacement, which can be pretty expensive. Think TPO roofing is for you? Then let an experienced and professional roofing company do the installation to ensure a longer TPO roof life expectancy. Call Affordable Roofing Systems at 813-542-8462 and get a free roof evaluation. Affordable Roofing Systems, where experience and quality matter.